a worthwhile project to be part of. The children always get so much out of it. It does develop a lot of their empathy as well, and their understanding of disabilities. It enables them to be really, really creative as well, and also builds on all of that previous knowledge about light and also coding. It just brings so many things together in a really exciting way and an enjoyable way for the children. They always get so much out of it.
The children last year really enjoyed the opportunity to work on the project throughout the year in teams. It was something a little bit different. The final event I thought was absolutely superb. Seeing all the entries, from across Birmingham, I think the children really got a great deal out of that. So very excited to be part of the project again. Yeah, certainly. So seeing those real-life professionals, seeing some of the technology that ZEISS produce, and also the range of employees at the company, I think that's something that's very valuable to the children, improving their aspirations for the future.
Absolutely, because they can see that they actually, and I know that last time when we were doing it, there were adverts as well for the company that were on the TV and on the radio, and they found that really exciting because actually they could see it and it wasn't just being something that they were told at school. It was actually they were able to see it in action in other places as well. The real purpose for the programme, the real purpose for their projects, the competitive element as well, because I think the children do thrive on that competition as well. I think as well that the companies, there's so many different strands to it. The company's involvement, the cross-curricular things that it brings together and unites as well, and even down to their oracy skills, being able to present it effectively.
I think the ability to work in a team, developing those skills and also improving the children's aspirations for the future, showing them that anyone has the potential to be a scientist and work in the STEM field.